Today we're climbing Mount Gumi. Today we're in search of Man Bear Pig Part 3. Today we're back at Tank Ride. We are in Gdynia right now. Good morning. Good morning. Second day in Poland. Gdynia right now, next to the Błyskawica battleship. Finally, I can sing the YMCA song with pride. YMCA. Kind of dying. And we'll go exploring today. Put the drone up, so I hope you enjoyed the footage. But I mean, look at this. Today we are in Pohan, Mungyeong Sea Tourist Area, Lady Musgrave Island, Kuchimadlo Island, Avalon International Airshow 2019. It's so hot.
Oi, oi, oi! Get up. What are we doing this?
What? What's going on?
Booked it?
What?
The thing with the plane and stuff. We're doing that in like an hour.
Are we doing this?
Yes.
Stay with us. How is the free fall?
Yeah. It was, I don't know, I can't explain it.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna jump. Good job. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you
Subscribe and like.
You forgot how to say that. It's been a while, hasn't it? Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you next time.